Hi guys, in this session we will discuss about two-way data binding in Angular. Two-way data binding refers to the sharing data between the class component and its template. So the model and view will be in sync. Let's see with an example. The syntax of two-way data binding is the combination of square braces and the parentheses. So this is the syntax of two-way data binding in Angular. Two-way data binding in Angular. So here you can see first one is a square braces, which is nothing but property binding data from class component to template file. So this is the property binding. And if you observe one more thing, we are having parenthesis, which is nothing but event binding, passing data from the template file to class component, event binding. So in the last session we have seen, with the help of event binding we pass data of reference variable to the class component, so that we can able to pass data from model to view and view to model. So model and view will be in sync. So let's see with an example. So I am just commenting this one, event binding. So I just want to comment these two things. Okay, and let's take some input box, input type equal to text. For that one we will see two-way data binding, how it will work. So as we have seen the syntax of two-way data binding, parenthesis inside the square braces. Okay, we have one directive called ng model in Angular for two-way data binding. So here you can mention the property which you want to bind. Let's take this topic name as the property. We want to bind this one in the component. Okay, here you can see. So let's go to the browser and you will get an error called as unable to type of string. This is because this ng model directive is the part of forms module. So we should import forms module inside the app.module.ts. Let's import that one. Import from Angular forms. We need to import this one from the Angular/forms. So forms module, forms module. So add this into the imports module. And let's go to the browser. Here you can see the input box and you can observe the data is pre-populated inside the input box. So as we are using the two-way data binding here, ng model, this topic name is binding from the component file. Here you can see it is already binding. So we can remove everything from here, and when I remove this one, the top text is also gone. When I enter something on this text box, we can able to see the text on the above input. So let's enter my name here. So when I started entering my name inside this input box, it is printing on top. So the model and viewer both are in sync. Okay, let's see one more time guys. So two-way data binding is the combination of square braces and parentheses. So square braces are nothing but property binding and parentheses are nothing but event binding. So both will be in sync. We can able to pass two-way data binding for any binding some sizes or any HTML properties also we can able to use. So thank you guys for watching and we will see in the next session.